So in today's session we will see how we can make use of Python and SQLite 3 database module. So of course, if we have SQL, if we want to use Python to execute SQL queries for this SQLite 3 database, so we have to first import that module of SQLite 3 and then create one object with this connection with this API call SQLite3.connect, and this is my database whatever I'm going to create. If this doesn't exist, it will create the database. And how we will get confirmation whether this has been created successfully or not? So with the help of this print statement, it will give us confirmation. So let's try to execute this one and let's see how it goes. So it says database created successfully. So if you see what exactly we have done here, we have written a Python script. First, we have imported the database module SQLite 3. Then we created one connection object con, and then we have given this API module SQLite3.connect to this database. If this database doesn't exist, then it will create this database. So let's say if other than this, I want to create one more. So let's see practice.db, and I will re-execute the same program. So it will say database created open successfully. Now in this database, slowly we will execute all those select, delete, insert queries. As of now, we will stop over here and we will move ahead in this module slowly. Thank you very much.